Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, and happy Friday from me, Dr. Richter, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, January 11th, 2019. At this time, I ask everyone to please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Our birthdays, we have two second graders that are celebrating birthdays today. We'd like to wish a very happy birthday to Justin Morales and Christopher Osorio, both second graders. Boys, please stop by my office for a special birthday gift. Our Royal Readers, once again, we have 7 Royal Readers, and we're wondering who's going to be our next Royal Reader. We'd like to offer congratulations to Jimena Huerta, Jocelyn Oriana, Christopher Cardoso, Cesar Valdez, Andrea Manriquez, and Ollie Fowler, all 5th graders, and our only 3rd grader to be a Royal Reader, Gabriel Lopez. Please continue reading, boys and girls, so you can be our next Royal Reader. Our value for today is Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. And our culture focus for the week is Idea 44 because we are really concentrating on transitions and trying to get them down smoothly. Is Idea 44, when walking in line, please keep your arms at your side and move quickly and quietly. Announcements, boys and girls. We will continue working on culture this week to remind you of the expectations in the hallways, the classrooms, the cafeteria, gym, and at recess. You all know what is expected of you. Now all you have to do is comply. Boys and girls, just a reminder that next week all students in 1st through 5th grades will be testing on RenStar, either in the computer lab or in the classrooms. We encourage each of you to do your very, very best on these tests and take them very seriously. This will help us determine who needs to stay after school for tutoring and who needs to come in on Saturday. The better you do on the test, the less likely you will have to stay after school or come in on Saturday. And 3rd through 5th grade scholars, your teachers have been meeting with you, telling you what your semester exam scores and your STAR scores, if you took a STAR test last year, what they are and what your goals are for the upcoming STAR tests. So you must know your goals. We will be coming around and asking you for your own individual goal. Please internalize them. You will be practicing by writing them at the top of each of your papers in your classrooms. So please commit these goals to memory so you know what you need to do in order to pass your STAR tests. Just a reminder, staff members and students, we are continuing to accept kindergarten applications. We'd like all students who are interested in attending IDEA to submit an application. And boys and girls, if you invite your neighbors and friends and family to join, and you are the person that helps bring in the most applications, you will receive a special prize. And teachers, those of you whose classroom has the most applications, will also receive a prize. Yesterday was not a very good day for attendance. Only our 1st grade team met their attendance goal with a 98.21. They only had 2 students out. No other grade level met the attendance goal. And our average for yesterday was only 95.94. We were very last in the entire district. So boys and girls, we need all of you here every single day so that we can help you learn and become the best students ever. We are Rattlers, and we can do much better than what we did today. So please come to school every day, boys and girls. We want to help you learn. At this time, I ask that everyone please rise, raise your right hand, and say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Staff members, announcements for you. Thank you, all of you, for your continued patience with dismissal. We will get dismissal time down very soon. Next week, academic block tutoring for 3rd through 5th grade will now continue to be 3 o'clock to 4:15, but we're adding an additional block. At 4:15, we're going to be giving all of our scholars a snack, and after that, teachers will be responsible for walking their students now to the pavilion instead of the front office. We will end tutoring at 4:30, at which time parents can pick up the students. This time, instead of going to the front office, we will be dismissing tutoring at the pavilion. The parents will be able to pick their children up on the CP side of the pavilion at 4:30. So this is a change. It is going to take a few days, maybe a little rocky for the first few days, but our parents will conform, and this will make things much easier than walking all of our scholars through the CP building. And finally, staff members, we are asking that all of you, as you see a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grader in the hallway, please stop them and ask them what their individual STAR goals are. We want all of our scholars to internalize their goals, and they're only going to do that the more they think about their goal and put it in their heads. So please take a minute, stop a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grader and ask them, what is your STAR math goal? What is your STAR reading goal? How about your STAR science goal and your STAR writing goal? So please help us out so we make sure all of our students internalize these goals. Once again, our IA scores. You can see what our scores were and what our rank was in the district. Boys and girls, we can only go up from here. We ask that you do your best learning in class every single day so we can turn these 40s and 50s into 70s and 80s and 90s. But we can only do that if you're doing your part in the classroom every day to learn. And finally, our STAR countdown. We are now only 51 days away from 5th grade math and 4th grade writing, only 52 school days until 5th grade reading, 73 school days until 3rd and 4th grade math, 74 days for 3rd and 4th grade reading, and our science test for 5th grade is only 75 days from now. So again, boys and girls, continue listening very closely to your teachers in the classroom, doing your homework every night, and this will help you be successful on your STAR exams. Those are all of the morning announcements. Everyone, make it a fun-tastic Friday. Remember, the choice is yours. Staff members, please take a moment to call all the parents of the students who are not in your classrooms.